In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make UK drill music in Suno AI. We'll go from a blank page to a full track by crafting a strong style prompt, writing original lyrics, and generating the song in Suno. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by heading to your browser and opening Google. We're going to build a style prompt first, and to do that, we'll use ChatGPT as a prompt generator. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official site. Once you're in, write a concise request describing the sound you want. For UK drill, think dark, moody, and streetwise. You can mention a tempo around 140 BPM, sliding 808s, tight, rapid hi-hats, and eerie, minimalist synths. If you want vocals, specify aggressive rap delivery and the overall intensity or atmosphere. Keep sentences short and concrete. Clarity helps models nail the vibe. Submit your request and wait for the response. When the style prompt appears, highlight it and copy it. Now head over to Suno. On the main page, choose Create. In the Styles area, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno the overall sonic identity to aim for, from rhythm and instrumentation to mood and pacing. Next, we need lyrics. Return to ChatGPT to generate original words that match the drill style. Ask for a UK drill lyric set that fits the mood you described. You can set a theme, like a city that dreams each night and quietly reshapes reality for the people living in it. Request a title and make sure the tone stays gritty and cinematic without losing clarity. Submit and give it a moment. If the subject isn't quite right, adjust your theme or tone and resubmit until it feels on brand. Once you're happy, copy all the lyrics. Go back to Suno and find the lyrics field. Paste them there. Double-check formatting so verses and hooks are easy to read. Clear structure helps the generator interpret the performance. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will process your style and lyrics together and generate your track. This can take a bit, so be patient. When the song is ready, give it a careful listen. If the mood, pacing, or vocal delivery isn't quite there, tweak your style prompt language or refine a few lyric lines and try again. Small prompt changes can make a big difference, and that's it. You've just made UK drill music in Suno AI from prompt, key to lyrics to final track.